Please introduce yourself, your company, and the services you provide.
My name's Ian Simpson. My company is Simpson Fence Installation Company or Simpson Landscaping Solutions. I provide anything outside the house, so landscaping, mowing, gardening, fencing, pavers, retaining walls, driveways, patios, pretty much anything that needs to be taken care of outside the house, I handle.
How did you get involved with our company?
Cold call. I'm pretty sure from you, actually. So yeah, I got a call and get about 30 calls a day. Slight exaggeration, but I get a lot of calls a day for selling leads and everything else. But um, contractors seem pretty genuine. Didn't seem like a scam or like Angie or one of these other companies that's going to sell me a bunch of bots. So decided to move forward with it.
What was going on in your business that caused you to start looking for internet marketing help or to change internet marketing providers?
Really just looking to grow, looking to expand some of the services that I offer. Get a lot of calls about lawn maintenance, mowing, stuff like that. I was looking to expand the big ticket side of the business, so fencing, pavers, retaining walls, larger ticket items.
What did our team implement/ put in place for you? What was the result? How has that impacted your business and you personally?
And a half, I'd say, to close the first job. So far, I've had 2 leads coming through, you guys. Closed both of them, so relatively happy. I'd like to get a good bit more, but we're building.
Who would you say a partnership like ours is for?
I'd say it's for generally any contractor that's looking to expand their business. They've definitely helped me out a good bit. Know you guys do a lot of work with concrete and paper guys.
What would you tell someone else that's skeptical about joining?
I mean, my honest answer is I definitely took what it seemed like at the time was a leap of faith. But like I said, we get a lot of calls from companies that are making grandiose promises that will cost you thousands of dollars, and then not a whole lot comes out of it. So a little bit of a leap of faith, but it's been worth it so far. We're looking to keep growing and expanding, and hopefully we can bring in some more with Scaling Contractors. So um, it might seem a little bit risky, and I'm not gonna tell you it's not at first, but trust the process, and leads will come in.